Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. So today's reading we'll be picking 3 cards, guys. 1 card for your daily energies. This is for your daily energy, guys, and we'll be picking 1 card for your career and 1 card for your relationship, guys. So we'll turn the cards as we proceed. So these cards do not work in reverse, guys. We have to read it straight. Not for you, this is for your general reading, guys. Scorpios, with this card, the energy is that, guys, maybe certain things are not going the way you expected. So whatever you were expecting is not manifesting, though you may be putting in your great efforts for those manifestations, whatever you are wishing. So sometimes when certain things are denied, it just means that this is universe working in your life. So no matter how hard you try, certain things may not come towards you. You feel you are walking on the sidelines, and you are seeing that your dreams are not fulfilled, guys, because certain things happen for us to help us reach that highest good. So rejection also is destined, guys. Whatever is happening is always destined in our lives. So something maybe much better than this may come towards us. So you need to have that trust in universe for guiding you in a particular way. Maybe even if it is a failure, we will learn the lesson from it, and we have to move forward in our life, and we need to accept things as they are. We should not give up that effort. So no effort will go waste, guys, in life. So when we lose today in some situation, maybe this may be relating to your work situation, or this may be in your relationship. Whatever you are losing today, there is no need to feel sad for it. You have to learn to accept that defeat, and you have to step forward with a better understanding, and keep trying, keep making that efforts that you need to do. So sometimes someday those goals, whatever you had vision for, whatever you had expected, will come to you multifold. So that is the energy here. Maybe not today, but some other day. That is the energy with this card, guys. So in your daily life, regarding your work or regarding your relationship, this may be the energy here. Let us see what is the card for your career. Thinker. So the energy with this card, Scorpios, for your career is that you need to think deeply within yourself, and then decide whatever the situation. You have to be very analytical. You have to know the truth of your choice, whatever you are making. This may be regarding your career, new job offers, or some move in your career, establishing your business, expansions, something, or collaborating with some other companies, whatever it is. So you need to think deeply what you need to do based on the information you have on the face value. So whatever you feel is good, you have to be extremely calculative today. That is the energy here. So you have to analyze deeply the choice you need to make, then step forward with your solution, whatever it is that you are moving forward with. You have to focus on your steps, clearly form your plan and strategy. When you do that, you will reach that goal, guys. Those achievements are coming towards you. So that is the energies, but you need that planning and you need to make that effort. That is the energy with this card, Scorpios. So let us see what is the card for your relationship. Treasure Island. These cards do not work in reverse, guys. We have to read it as it is. With this card, Scorpios, the energy is that you and your a person, you share a great understanding, guys. Compatibility and love is there in this relationship, and you love each other's company, and you what to say, this may be a twin flame soulmate connection. You have such a great understanding, and you share intimacy and attraction with this person, and in this relationship you feel that openness and romance, and this person is what you have dreamt for. Like, you have that magical feeling with this person, and you are celebrating this connection with this person. That is the energy here, Scorpios. So you are discovering great things about yourself, both of you, your character, something good. This person feels so much attraction towards you because of your characteristics and because of your the way you are. So they are getting the true picture, and you are having that heartfelt connection with this person, and you're celebrating that love and intimacy that is there in this relationship, guys. So that is the energy with this these cards, guys. Overall energy for your Scorpios is that you may have to make plans, make what to say, plan your strategy, what you need to do today in your career, and certain things may not go the way they are expected to in your work or in your relationship, but things are going towards harmony. That is what you need to understand. So you need to make those efforts, whatever you have to on your part, and things will fall into place because of your efforts and because of your what to say, that because of your efforts and because of your expectations, whatever you are positively thinking about. So those positive intentions will have a great change in your life, guys. So that is the energy with these cards, and that is the reading, Scorpios. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.